So I have a 2005 Dodge Durango with the 4.7 engine. It's a 4x2, and every so often I get focusing. Every so often I get problems with shifting and what have you. And these are notorious for having GPS problems. The throttle position sensor solenoid. Oops. So this is the old one I took out, and dry it up now. But when I took it off, I noticed it had some moisture in here. And now looking inside, you can see some water got in there. You can see some water got in there. And what happens with these, I need to seal it, and I've known it's a problem. The cowling leaks on these. The stripping comes off, gets a gap, and water comes down the windshield. It goes in on top of all these sensors back here, and that's probably what happened here. And so I'm gonna have to put a bead of silicone in there and seal that puppy back up. But if your Dodge is shifting or not shifting, if it's accelerating fast or revving up, stalling, just going up and down with the RPMs in not shifting right, it's a good chance, regardless of the code you get, that it goes back to the TPS. And it's a real easy fix. You can get them at any parts store for about 40 bucks. Get one with a lifetime warranty, because this is the third one I've had to replace on this puppy. This is the first time I've gotten water in it like that, though. So I don't know if I didn't seat the gasket right last time. But anyway, instead of spending a whole bunch of money, try that first. It's just 2 screws. I got 2 screws, and it goes right in there. Right in there. And sorry, I'm kind of spastic. And then this plugs into it. So you can see it's got kind of some discoloration there. Look at that too. So anyway, it's a quick fix and a lot cheaper than replacing a transmission unnecessarily and some other parts. Thanks. Hope this helps some people.